Morning everyone. How you doing? I'm just give you an update on this wall that I've been doing and been working on. Finally finished the lime rendering, just done it about 5 minutes ago. So it's all been limed in. I've used a sort of super fine sand on that one, so it's come up really nice. And let that dry off. I did the tops yesterday, all around there. And that's another wall done. So just coming in from the entrance on the left. There we go, just right at the back of the door now. That's me crashing into it. So you walk in, this wall's done, and this one. So that's cool. Got to get a piece of glass in there, so I'm going to measure that up today. And I just need to finish up the boxing off around the top, which I'll do probably tomorrow, because I'm going to have to shoot from the farm today because I've got a health and safety man coming down. So I've been asked to disappear. So that's it from the inside. Really pleased. I finally got one side done. I had a lot of rain last night, and for some reason I've got another leak, which is really annoying, and I can't really fathom out how it's getting in. So when it stops raining tomorrow, I'll take another look. I've got another sheet of DPC covering to put on the roof, so I'll stick another sheet of that on, but I might end up getting some more. But I'm really intrigued as to the reason why that's leaking. For some reason I've got a bit of a leak on this side, which I shouldn't have. Anyway, I'll deal with that tomorrow. It's good to spot these things now before I roof it up fully, and just give you a shot from the outside. So this is the wall on the outside. This is the exterior of the wall I've just shown you. So that's been covered in a base coat. I'll just walk around. There we go. So that's the front. That's the side of the front. And this is the exterior wall I'm just working on, or will be working on when it stops raining finally. So that's coming on pretty well. Just need to let the rain stop really, and then I'll be able to get cracking on that probably tomorrow. Yeah, coming on pretty good. Just got that piece to do down the bottom there. Put a piece of glass in, render that round there. I should finish that in one day, and that will be done. So it's going on really well. Just coming in on the entrance. Close the door. It's nice to be able to close the door. So that's my wall. It's going to be drying off for probably a couple of weeks. I'll get cracking on the exterior of that tomorrow, as I say, and then I'll just finish off around the tops just to get this side fully sort of wrapped and closed up. And then next stage, carry on with this sort of log wall here. Need to bring a window down for that, so I'll probably bring that down tomorrow as well. But yeah, that's it for me today. I'm going to have to shoot now because, as I say, I've been asked to disappear because I've got a health and safety person coming. And that's the wall. Hoping looking quite interesting for viewers on online. But yeah, please share your comments. It'd be nice to hear something from you. And hope you're doing well, Clancy. And just put a shout out to you. And anyone else who might be watching. I'm sure Rada's probably in the background somewhere watching this late at night. But yeah, that's that wall. I've only got 2 more to do now, so I'm really pleased that this is cracking on. But I'm just a bit mystified as to why I've got a puddle there. Now, for some reason, if that's a puddle there, it's coming up from the top. But I can't see any leaks. Oh, it's really annoying. I shouldn't have any water coming in at all there. Okay, well, I'm going to have to get working on that one somehow. This is all wet down here. That's because this side's open, that's understandable. I'm hoping it's just the plastic sheet from the top that is just letting water in, but I really can't work it out because that should be totally covered, unless I've got a nail somewhere, something leaking. Yeah, I'll work that one out another day, but once it's dry I'll get up there. But that's it for today. That's the wall done. Really pleased with that. It's all blended in around the corner, and just give you some idea of the detail. There you go, it goes all up there, around the tops, around the window, around the side. It's quite gnarly around the back of the log there. Looks quite interesting. And I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do on the front here. Might have a piece of wood going across the front there, just for a little shelf of some sort. But I don't really want to cover this detail up too much, because I think it's quite good to look at. And it's all blended in around the bottom there. So yeah, that's got a top coat on. So it's essentially 3 parts sand, 1 part lime, and then that's a fine yellow sand I'm using on that, and it gives you a really, really nice sort of smoothie finish. You can't really see that very well, but right, I'm going to measure up the window now, and I'll talk to you soon. See you then.